How gorgeous is that? It's so nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, hello and welcome to this new vlog at the Globales. I've forgotten what it's called, Globales, in Menorca. Now, this holiday was for 4 nights, just under, well, between two of us we paid £520. So we've spent more money on the car hire and bits and bobs, but we're going to find out if it's too good to be true. I like that line, I've just stolen that from Jasmine's channel. So we are so far very impressed. We've just literally done a room tour. We're going to go find a bit of snacks.
Yes, please.
And a Diet Coke.
Staff are friendly as well so far.
Staff are very friendly. There's lots of hotel information. Can I do that? Lots of hotel information on this QR code. I don't know, is that clear? Give it a bash. See that hotel information.
No.
But we're going to go find the snack bar. It's just so nice. Look, it's a glass lift. There's a nice what's that glass called? The stained glass.
Stained glass.
That's what the just so lovely. So let's see, is it too good to be true? This is the adults bar we've just walked into, and obviously it looks a bit unlively at the minute because it's kind of closed, but it's so nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at all of this. I do love a bit of celestial outlook. It's cute. And then, yeah, this hotel looks so nice. Okay, so post-lunch, look what we've just found. Okay, for a wander. How gorgeous is that? It's so blue. There's no one in it, so I'm going to assume it's a bit chilly. Oh yeah, look, there's a beachy bit over there. Absolutely beautiful. I think you can walk down there, Jazz. Just perfect, or what is you know what I mean? It's got sand on the bottom. It's obviously warm because there's a few people in there. Oh, stunning, absolutely stunning. Something about travel that brings you to life, isn't there? And capturing it all on these videos, not just for you guys to watch but for us to look back over in years to come, is so special. Wow. So we've just found quite a lot of fish in the water, which is incredible. Just dipped our feet in, just sat on the edge there. Some people down there snorkeling. It's not too cold, not freezing cold. But yeah, it's really lovely and shallow as you come in. Yeah, for families, so we're going to walk around this edge. Going to walk around this edge. Oh, nice picture, Jazz. Not sure if all these bits are going to make the vlog, because to us it's really interesting, to you guys it might not be. But look, see them steps? I was just like looking at this thinking, oh, that's lovely, wouldn't mind going down there. And you can actually go down there. Like, be a bit treacherous, I think, trying to jump in. I know they do a lot of cliff jumping here, like off of these bits. God, look at them fish. They do a lot of cliff jumping off of there in the summer and stuff. I just said to Jazz, like, who needs Mexico? Like, those of you that saw the Mexico vlog when we trying to find the lagoon. Phew, this is it. So stunning. But yeah, I love this. There's a yellow butterfly. What does that mean? Does anyone know? Absolutely stunning. That's magical.
I love that.
Magical. You know when you can't quite tell a place until you're actually there?
I had a good feeling about it though when we saw it online. I was like, oh yeah.
Me too. So what we're going to do, we're going to grab a little bit of lunch. It's only like 1:30. Mad. And I think probably we'll unpack tonight when we're getting ready, eh?
Yeah.
Sounds good. So maybe get changed, go and sit out. We haven't found out yet if there's towels, but I'm sure there are towels. And tonight there's music with a K at the end. In that bar there, which I think might be an adults only bar, I'm not too sure. I haven't quite got our bearings yet with all of it, but that sounds nice, sitting in there. Maybe have a mocktail.
Oh, yeah.
A little pina colada mocktail. So because we've just arrived, even though I'm a bit windswept, and because I'm very excited, we've got lunch with you. I'm going to show you what I'm having while we are in Menorca for my food. Bear in mind I'm celiac, so this is gluten-free. First thing we have for lunch, because we're in Spain, we've got some mixed paella. This is veal cutlet. This is, I think it's swordfish. I'm not that sure. And some chicken wings and a panna cotta for dessert. But it looks a little, I'm not sure how that is. Hopefully it's good. And you help yourself to, we've got water and I've got a Coke Zero. And look at that lovely view. So I will show you all my meals while I'm here for 4 days, so that you can see I am a bit samey. Obviously Jasmine's not gluten-free, so she can have bread and things, which is great. Good evening. So I'm ready for the evening. I've had a quick shower, which was really nice, put on a lovely dress, bit Spanishy, bit cheesy, but hey. And I just thought while I was waiting for Jasmine to finish getting ready, I'd just sit outside and enjoy this evening, which is so beautiful. Let me show you. Look, sun's gonna set over there. Oh, it's very bright, isn't it? The sea's here. What we got here? Sea and sky, and there's the horizon. That wasn't hard to work out really, was it? But so I've come out here, in case you didn't see my pack with me video, which is up now, so you can go and have a little look. I've just popped on my mozzie stuff. I've seen a couple of people with big bites. I've also heard that if you take antihistamines, that can help. But this is a roll-on one. I just roll it around my ankles, because if you spray it and breathe it in, it's really bad for your lungs, and my lungs are trying to repair themselves at the minute. So, and also this Avon Skin is so soft. It isn't a mosquito repellent as such, but mosquitoes don't like it, and my skin does. So, but you've got to be careful where you spray it. So I've just sat out here on the balcony. It's just a cute little balcony. It's nothing really like wow to write home about, but why can you not appreciate, like you would, wouldn't you? You appreciate that balcony, that view, the fact that you can sit here and have a cup of coffee and do your writing and whatever tickles your fancy. So we've also made a bit of a plan for the next couple of days, which is going to be so nice. So I'm very excited for that. Yeah, should be really nice. Thank you. Right, I can smell dinner. I'm gonna go for our dinner. Hopefully it'll be nice. What do you fancy? What do you fancy?
Oh, I'm not sure.
So dessert, I'm acting like a 5-year-old. I went to the ice cream machine. Got some vanilla sauce, some coconut, desiccated coconut, chocolate vermicelli, nuts, more coconut. Interesting. We just followed that noise and came out for a wander. Thought the sky looked pretty, didn't we?
It does look pretty, yeah.
We found a souvenir shop as well, which has got some handy bits in it. But we're going to go and have a little look at the music place. Loads of parking here, by the way, if you're interested. Going to go and have a look at the music, aren't we, in the adult bar?
We are, yeah.
Let's go. So we're coming to this adults bar, which is really cute. Just, they said there's music on, but I think it's just the piped music, and people are playing cards and just chilling out and having a drink. We might get an early one.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe.
I'm tired.
In the next video, join Jasmine and I as we take a trip into the old town of Ciutadella, which is in Menorca, and it was so beautiful. I was absolutely blown away. It's been recommended to me by my friend, and I really felt a beautiful vibe there. I went to visit a monastery and a chapel, and we just sat and had a lovely time on the harbour front. So make sure you come back for that. I'll see you then.